Oh yeah, here we go. Oh shit, they got the villa started. Go hard in the paint like my last name Harden. I'ma shoot my shot, no I never miss my target. I'ma keep grinding till I'm whipping in the foreign. Smoking out the zip, Zaza got me loaded. Hot bastard whip, got it cloudy where we going. I'ma live it up, I'm living in the moment. Same one started with me, same one's gon' eat. See me on the gram, but you niggas don't know me. Tired of working 9 to 5, I gotta get a homie. Trying to build my brand, I came up with a plan. Invested this for stocks, now I started rapping. Design my own merch, I mix my own jams. I be on my own shit, you copy in a trend. They try to count me out, now they gotta count me in. Got a broke kinda, but I push it like a Benz. I be on the way, you get in my way. I'ma run you down, I make the shoot, I'm on the chase. Gotta get the bag, I can't be last. I'ma knock you out if you get in my face. I'ma slow it down, yeah, there's more in my pace. Shawty wanna lick me cause I'm more hurt taste. Not worry about you or what's on your plate. No risk, no reward, so I'm doing my thing. Mama was a hustler, so it's in my genes. Got a small circle, yeah, I love my team. I never gon' forget the love you niggas showed me. Don't worry about nothing when I'm up, it's on me. My whole team different, we are nothing like the mother guys. My whole team lit, we on the shit, we up like in the car. Feeling like Pac when he was rapping, I don't hit him up. Even if I fall in a trip, I swear I'm getting up. Nothing's gon' stop me, bro, smooth with the syllables. Chlorides clean, how you feel when they ain't fucking with you? I don't want you, girl, you the teacher, I'm the substitute. Grew up in the hood, it was nothing like the hustle bulls. Looking like a sucker, you get lit. You talking that shit, you talking out loud, but you ain't bustin' moves. Stay in your lane, do your own thing, and don't get mad when these niggas don't fuck with you. The niggas so lame, they sell off for a chain. They wave around guns, but they wouldn't bust a grade. Modern day slaves, whips and gold chains. Got a little money and them niggas change their attitude. Know some real niggas with the shit like a toilet bowl. My real day one nigga solid, yeah, fuck with you. Tryna run it up, let me show you what them numbers do. Beautiful lies, but I'd rather hear the ugly truth. Here before you see me, got the loud when I'm sliding to you. Niggas wasn't with me, I was shooting in the gym. Thinking about myself, I depends on no man. It's all me, coming through your speakers be knocking. Bumping them guns, get you dropped in a heartbeat. One punch man, got him sleep, bro, I stalled him. Put me on the beat, yeah, I kill it, bro, I off theme. Most of you rappers is ass, I'm sorry. Someone had to say it, man, that verse is garbage. Blue strip dream, got this money on my conscience. Baby got my attention cause that ass is pompous. She don't like to shave, yeah, she got that magic carpet. Scarred from the past, so please proceed with caution. Flow so sick, got a nigga feeling nauseous. Back that ass up, baby, show me how you park it. All bark, no, but you nigga need to stop it. Invest in myself, I'm just trying to make a profit. I remain the same till I'm laying in a coffin. I like outer space, got me feeling like a Martian. Yeah, I need it all, I refuse to take a portion. Might be down, but I never ever forfeit. Tryna run it up, get this cash and spend a fortune. Spend a fortune, gotta run it up, get this cash and spend a fortune.